Okay, let's make a ring, instant ring, using one balloon. Inflate the balloon like this. Inflate a portion of 5-inch here. Now create 3 1-inch bubble here. Just like that. Create 1 more inch bubble here. And that's it. Okay. Now, put it together just like this. Now, in this figure, you need to make an ear twist here. And another ear twist here. And another ear twist here. Of course, extra careful with your balloon while making this. And lastly, make an ear twist here. Okay, so we created an instant ring for your girls. Now, you need to make a exact fit for your child's finger or your finger by doing like this, making a simple loop. Just like that. Now, remove the extra. Just like that. Now we have an instant ring. Tada! Yes. Instant ring. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.